Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes of Sri Mahavir International School, Kishangarh, Rainwar. So students, today I am going to teach you some chapters and the name of the chapters are above. Whenever I am going to tell you the chapter's name, I will teach you the chapter also with that. Okay, so for now our first chapter is the alphabet. So what do you mean by alphabet? What is alphabet exactly? Okay, I will tell you. A set of letters in a fixed order that you use when you are writing a language is called alphabet. Means a set of letters in a proper particular order whenever we are writing a language, that's called alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. How many letters? 26 letters in the English alphabet. And what are those 26 letters? I will tell you now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So these are alphabets. These are 26 letters in the English alphabet. So we call this alphabet capital letters. Here are some small letters also, like this only. These are the small letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now look at these words written below. A, N, T means ant. B, E, E means bee. C, A, T means cat. D, O, G means dog. E, E, L means eel. F, I, S, H means fish. These words are arranged in the ABC order. The ABC order is also called the alphabetical order. Okay. When we write some words in ABC order, that ABC order is also called the alphabetical order. Now write the first letter of these words. Here are some picture given. You have to just write their first word. Okay. So this is your homework. You will do it yourself. Now next is arrange these words in the alphabetical order. You have to write the above words in the alphabetical order here. Our next chapter is vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are alphabets. Okay, so there are two kinds of letters. The letters A, E, I, O, U. How many letters? 5 letters. A, E, I, O, U. Count on your fingers. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. So how many letters? 5 letters. The letters A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. What are that called? Vowels. All the other letters are called consonants. Okay. So look at the first letter of these words. Write V for vowel and C for consonants. So how will you remember that this word is vowel and this is consonants? By remembering the 5 letters. Which letters? A, E, I, O and U. Whenever the word starts with A, that is a vowel, and when the other words start with Y, G, F, W, M, that is called consonant. Okay, so the first letter is A, then N, then T. So this is a vowel. Now our next chapter, this work will be done by you only. This is your work, you will done it yourself. Our next chapter is people and places. So write the name of these people, use the word from the box. So here is the definition given. Names of people are naming words. Okay, the name of the people, place, animal and things are called naming words. So these are naming words. Here some words are given, here are some name of the people given in the box. You have to just write the name. So first one is teacher, second is girl, then woman, then boy, then man, then nurse, then doctor and then driver. So this chapter ends. Write the names of these places, use the words from the box. So you have to write the name of these places. First one is school. Spelling of school is SCHOOL, school. Then office, you have to write it yourself. Then house, then park, then street and then market. Names of places are also called naming words. Next, fill in the blanks with the words in the bracket. The dash is in the dash. What is the picture made of? A boy playing with a ball in the garden. So you will write here, the boy is in the park. Like this you will do the other questions also. Our next chapter is animals and things. Write the names of these animals and birds. Use the words from the box. Seem like the chapter which we read before. So here are some words given in the box. You just have to write the name of these animals. First one is tiger. You will write here TIGER. Like this only. You have to write other names also. Names of animals and birds are also naming words. Next question. Write the name of these things. Use the words from the box. Here are some things given. You just have to write the name of the things given in the box. First one is shoes. 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 Next is bag. 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 Then hat, H-A-T, hat, which you wear on the top of your head. Then table, T-A-B-L-E, table, on which you put your books and notebooks. Then laptop, L-A-P-T-O-P, laptop, on which your father do work. P-E-N, pen. Then kite, then xylophone, then television, in which you saw or watch cartoons. Names of things are also naming words. Now next question, fill in the blanks with the words in the brackets. Here are some words given in the brackets. You just have to fill the blanks. The dash is on the dash. The cat is on the rug. Like this only you have to do the other questions also. Okay. So here your chapter ends. I hope you enjoyed the chapter and understand it also. Do the given work in the book. In the vowels chapter, the 5 sounds we need to remember is A, E, I, O and U. These are called short vowels that we use. In every word we are learning to write as vowels. Any small word, if there is any small word, each word has a vowel that we read or write, because without vowel there is no word. Okay. So what are vowels? A, E, I, O and U. These are called vowels.